How to fix links not working on Instagram. Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this quick guide, we'll show you step by step in order to fix that, whether it's in your bio stories. So let's just get started. So open up Instagram and head over to the section where the link is located. So in mine is located in my bio, and you can see, and make sure that your link starts with HTTPS or HTTP, and also you know use proper link because Instagram often block links that are not properly formatted. And also update your Instagram application if that does not work. So let's close this for now, and then you may head over to Play Store, open it up. After that, we can head over to search, and within there look out for Insta. Type in Insta, find app, and update the application to the latest version if there is any kind of update available, and update it. And other, because older versions can cause links to not open properly. Apart from that, if that does not work, we can clear out Instagram cache. So hold the application for that and go to their info. And within there, we can head over to storage. Go to storage, tap on it, and look out for the option go clear cache and clear cache. Or if not, that you can basically head over and then log out and log back in. That will also often fix the temporary glitches. And that's it. Those are probably the solution, and your Instagram links should now work perfectly. So if this tutorial helped you, like and subscribe.